Hello my cake crafters, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making rainbow cake with cream cheese frosting. And the ingredients for this recipe are 2 unsalted butter sticks, 2 cups of white granulated sugar, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and don't forget your food coloring, red, blue, green, and yellow. Before we start this delicious recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and activate the bell for my new videos. We start with the butter, together with the sugar and the vanilla extract. We're gonna beat all these 3 ingredients together until very smooth and creamy. Okay, we're gonna add the eggs. And we're making sure that the eggs are well incorporated. Okay, now we're gonna add the buttermilk. And also we're gonna add the heavy cream. Okay, we're gonna mix together in low speed. When everything is mixed, we're gonna add 1/2 of the flour together with the salt and baking powder. Make sure when you're mixing the flour, you do it in low speed. And then increase the speed a little bit more and scrape your bowl to make sure everything is well combined. Okay, when that's done, I just add the rest of the flour and mix again in low speed. Then when I see that it's almost incorporated, I just increase my speed. Alright, my batter is done. Check my batter and it's smooth and creamy, smells delicious, and it's ready for my next step. Okay guys, our next step consists in dividing the batter into 6 bowls. Okay, I'm using an ice cream scoop. Mine is kind of like a large ice cream scoop. And just divide all the batter evenly in these bowls. Okay, now we're ready for the food coloring. Okay, for the red, basically I put 7 drops in each of the bowls. Okay, like the red one is ready, and then we start with the blue one. Okay, it's about 7 drops. And also the green one, to mix it very well. Okay, to make the color orange, you need to have yellow and at least 3 drops of red to make it darker. Okay, we go for the yellow color. For that one, we just put like 4 drops of yellow. It depends how you like the color. And then this is the purple one. For the purple we use blue and red. Okay. Okay, you gotta play with the colors a little bit so you can have the right color. All right. Now you have to have a pan. It's 9 inches. Okay. If you have 6 of the pans, that's great. I didn't have it. I only have 2 of them. So I make few trips. Once my butter is in the pan, I make sure I spread everything evenly. You can even tap the pan against the table to make it spread more. Make sure you bake your cake at 325 for about 10 to 17 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. And here we go. We have all the layers. The next part of this recipe is to make the cream cheese frosting. For this, you will need 1.5 block of cream cheese, 4.5 cups powdered sugar, 2 butter sticks, softened at room temperature, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Okay, first thing is to cream the butter and the cream cheese all together. For this part, I'm using my hand mixer. And I mix until I see that it's very soft and creamy. Okay, after that, I'm gonna add my powdered sugar. Okay, I do a little by little. I use a big spoon, and I keep doing this until I use all my powdered sugar. Okay, when everything is done, then I'm gonna stack my layers by the rainbow color pattern. I started with the purple one, and I spread a really good amount of frosting between the layers. Okay, the second layer will be the blue one. Okay, the next one is the green color. The next one is the yellow color. And the next one will be the orange color. And the last one, it will be red. That will be your top layer. When you get to this point, you just have to get all the frosting left and cover all the whole cake around it. All right, and then you spread it, around the cake. Make sure you cover the whole cake. Then after you finish, you can refrigerate your cake, and you have to leave it, unfortunately, for overnight, for the whole day, until the next day, so that frosting can be cold and hard. Okay, we're here the next day and the cake is ready. I'm cutting a slice so you guys can see how beautiful this cake looks inside. And there you have it, all the 6 layers for the rainbow cake. Hope you guys like this recipe and do it at home and try it. And thank you so much for watching my video and for your support. You can also follow me on Instagram, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel.